Henry Manny 55 guys, check it out, man. We jumping and we ain't playing with no goddamn body, man. Check it out. I'm gonna put y'all right there real quick. Man. Hopefully you can see what I'm got going on. I'm about to get out here. Woo! Woo! Nasty, guys. Check it out, man. Woo! We're losing the body. We're losing the body real quick. We're losing the body already, guys. Slow down, Mad Max. You're killing them. Slow down, Mad Max. You're killing them. We gotta cut this front speed down, guys. Shit, it's too nasty right now, guys. Let's cut this front speed. Let's cut this front speed down. We need to delay this joint a little quick. Little bit, real quick, for a little bit. Get in there. Woo! Get in there, Mad Max. Oh man, it's nasty in here, guys. It's nasty in here, guys. Yeah, I got y'all live with me, man. We ain't do this yet. I'd be scared to go live with y'all, man. Y'all live over there on the phone over there on that joint. But, man, it's nasty over here. Wow, that was a direct hit, man. Right on the goddamn boulder, man. Mad Max holding up so far, guys. Shit nasty out here, guys. That was crazy, guys. You seen that? Hold on, we're gonna cut that joint on that note. We gotta check Mad Max out, guys. Check it out, man. We jumping and we ain't playing with no goddamn body. Cut that.